Let's unbox the Tapo Doorbell camera from TP-Link. This is one of the more advanced doorbell that comes with a 2K 5-megapixel color night vision camera. It knows how to detect and differentiate a human being and a parcel versus other types of movement. It has a 4:3 aspect ratio, which TP-Link claims it allows us to see a lot more. And it has a battery that lasts half a year, which means this doorbell camera does not need any cabling. This quick response is a very useful feature. We can pick how we want to answer the door, and the doorbell will speak the sentence for us in its own voice.
I'll be there in a minute.
In terms of storage, both local and cloud storage are available. And these are some detailed specifications which I will let you pause and read. There are a lot more items that come in the box, so let's start unboxing. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. This is the quick menu, and like all TP-Link Tapo products, the instruction manual is very easy to read. I've been using TP-Link smart home cameras and smart light bulbs for many years already. And over the years, TP-Link has been progressively updating their app. And the best part is, their app is very intuitive and works very well. I'll be making another installation video to show you the step-by-step instructions on how to install this smart doorbell. There are stickers which says, press here in different types of languages. And this is the adhesive double-sided tape if we don't want to use the mounting screw. Oh, and this one. Have a look at this. This is what I love about TP-Link Tapo cameras. They supply mounting templates. All Tapo cameras come with this handy mounting template, saving us so much time marking out the center line and taking all the measurements. So this is the charging brick for the hub, and this is the pin to open the doorbell. And there are some screws in the back which I don't know what these are for. And these are two more screws, and I think this one is the doorbell mounting screws. Now let's take a look at the doorbell itself. It's a fully featured doorbell that comes with a microphone, camera, indicator light, and it even has a physical motion sensor and also an ambient light sensor to accurately switch the camera between day and night mode. And this is a light which gets pretty bright at night. This is the battery pack for the doorbell. This battery is supposed to last 180 days, so we only have to charge this battery pack every half a year. This battery pack doesn't need another charging station. There is a micro USB slot on the battery itself, so we can simply plug the micro USB into the battery itself. This is the charging brick for the battery pack. It only outputs 5 volt 1 amp, which means this is a 5-watt charger. And then we have the hub, which is also the doorbell chime. It connects to our router using either wireless LAN cable or Wi-Fi. And it takes in a micro SD card to store all the camera recording footage locally. This is good because we can hide this hub somewhere in the house to protect the footage instead of having the SD card in the camera itself. Now two more cables. The USB-A to micro USB cable is for us to charge the battery. And the Ethernet cable is for us to plug the hub to our Wi-Fi router. And see this? There is a micro USB plug on the battery itself. And FYI, the plug doesn't go in all the way, by the way. So this charger, together with this USB cable, is for us to charge the battery, and this is the power adapter to power up the Tapo hub. Don't forget to also check out my installation video for this Tapo doorbell camera, where I'll walk you through the step-by-step instructions to mount and set up this doorbell. Remember to like this video before you click over, and thanks for supporting my channel. I'll see you over there.